Automate UK is going to become the leading association for suppliers and manufacturers of automation equipment in the UK. Those manufacturers and suppliers are there to help support end users in the UK manufacture their products most effectively and efficiently, and to become more competitive within the global marketplace. And Automate UK will be central to helping support and deliver those ambitions of our members and of our end users. So central to all of the associations that are part of Automate UK, that's PPMA, BARA and UKIVA, is the theme of automation. Everything that we do and everything that we provide to our end users is an automated form of production or processing. And it's very much making sure that our members have the ability to work with end users and to promote their technologies to those end users, to make sure that they adopt these technologies and manage to be competitive globally, and to help them promote and sell their products both at home and abroad.
The association provides a great lobbying platform representing, nearly 500-600 members, and it's a real voice for changes in strategy, changes that may involve R&D taxes and all sorts of other opportunities that will improve the UK manufacturing space.
It's a sales opportunity for our business. But I do feel that the association is much more than that, and it has some wonderful virtuous aspects to it, like the apprenticeships and the charitable things that it does to support our British manufacturing industry.
The association itself tries to remain at the forefront of automation, process, packaging. It's been an absolute amazing platform for us to be able to network with people in the industry, and we've built a whole partner network just by being in this association.
What they do is absolutely critical to the success of the industry, I think. It provides that really unique space for many different parts of our sector to congregate and collaborate.
Events like today is really what it's all about for us, an opportunity to network with the industry, the value it brings us in the UK market. It became a no-brainer for us to be here today.
So it's a two-way relationship where members have a platform to educate the market, and then the trade association has a platform to then bring back and educate members and add value that way.
The networking that is done through the association, the chairman's dinner where you can get together. We've had situations where you go to the Houses of Parliament, you meet an MP. Getting that access to people like that, that's one of the great spin-offs.
So when you're introducing automation and robotics, especially in new areas, one of the key challenges you face is having the engineering talent within organisations to be able to deploy these systems effectively. And so working with the likes of the PPMA show, with universities, is really important if, and I believe the UK does want to be, the #1 food automation robotics country in the world.
There's a lot of conjecture out there about how robots are taking people's jobs. We think it's completely the opposite. Robots are actually creating new, better, more exciting, more productive jobs.
It helps us to promote and train people. We can call on the association to help with standards and training of other people to come into the business.
There are lots of sales training courses out there that are very expensive and very long-winded, and the association's training is to the point and very focused.
In my experience, I've found the management, I've found them very helpful. If I ring up, if I've got an inquiry or I ask a question about something to do with the market, they really do their damnedest to try and help.
Being a member of Automate UK should give you a number of different benefits. It would help put your products in front of end users via our world-class exhibitions that we run. It will help you meet with other industry professionals and understand industry trends and continue to build relationships within the industry. And also it will help give you access to skills and training and education, which is focused specifically on making the UK a centre for automation excellence in the future.
We have a jigsaw puzzle for automation in manufacturing this country that's complete. It's just nobody has really put it together. And what is crucial, and what is clearly going to have to be our role over the next handful of years and going forward, is we are the people who are going to put the jigsaw puzzle together. So we are the people who are going to promote the wares of our members. We are the people who are going to promote how automation is accessible. We are the people who are going to work with think tanks, political parties, other trade associations. Because actually, as I say, out of all the problems that the world has, automation in this country is quite easy. You've just got to put the jigsaw puzzle together.
Currently, there are many different facets of the association, but many of the members see it as largely to do with trade shows. And what we're looking to do is we're looking to expand the scope and hence increase the value for our members and make sure that their position within the automation industry in the UK is supported by a well-informed, relevant trade association.
Every member will have a different reason to either want to come on board or to understand why they should be on board, and you have to treat them all as individuals.
As an industry with a skills shortage, keeping staff and making sure that they are progressing within their career is so important, and the association training is what I hope going to be their first port of call when they're coming to look to retain staff, to improve staff and to offer their members their softer skills training as well as technical and more niche sales and marketing.
Automate UK is aiming to become the central knowledge point and focus of all things to do with automation within the UK. We're looking to drive the agenda around how robotics and automation are adopted in the UK, and we need as many member companies on board as we possibly can to support us with driving that agenda forward. We very much feel that we can have the ear of government. We've started to do much more in terms of lobbying, and we really feel that with that support of our membership that we can make a difference and make a change and help robotics and automation become central to the growth of the UK economy moving forward.